Have you been wondering something like this? I'm already so overwhelmed. What solution should I be implementing so that I'm not even more overwhelmed? I had a client ask this yesterday and I thought it was a phenomenal question. So in this video, I'm gonna explain 3 steps to take you out of overwhelm and back into control while saving a lot of time in the process. By the way, this is literally what we do day in and day out in our membership program, the Lifehack Tribe. And we have over 3,000 life hackers in Lifehack Tribe right now focused on optimizing the workflows and achieving work-life balance. If that sounds like the kind of community you want to be a part of, join us at lifehackmethod.com/tribe or just click the link in the description. Okay, if you're already overwhelmed, adding any new systems can seem daunting, and we don't want to be adding more work or new stress or new processes to your plate right now. Absolutely, the place that you want to start is pre-planning. This is step 1. When you're out there just trying to stay afloat, just trying to hold your ground, you end up stepping on a lot of landmines that push you further and further into overwhelm. Landmines are the problem that end up costing us a lot more time, but could have been avoided if we'd just done a better job pre-planning. This is what I call the stupid tax, where we were being stupid, we didn't look ahead and we didn't dodge it, and then we ended up with the landmine exploding, and now we're paying the maximum consequences. Whoops. The best pre-planning method to use is the Winning the Week method, which is what we do live every Friday with the members of our Lifehack Tribe, and it takes just 30 minutes. So by simply pre-planning your week for 30 minutes a week, you are saving a lot of time and energy by seeking out those landmines and diffusing them before they can explode. And you're already gonna feel that overwhelm loosening its grip. Then you use some of that newfound time and energy to take the next step, which is to get radical clarity. So what happens when you have radical clarity is instead of having 10 priorities and all 10 feel important, you're gonna know in your heart of hearts what you're supposed to be working on next at any given moment. You'll know truly what is the most important next thing. And that allows you to sacrifice other things. So even if you're sad about it, even if there's a tear running down your eye, you're confident in that decision. You know, like a doctor on the battlefield, you don't wanna let soldiers die, but they have a process by which they can decide who they help and when they help them so they can allocate their precious resources to do the most good. Now, a part of that is knowing which of the soldiers just aren't treatable, and that is a brutal truth. They can't help everyone, just like you can't do everything on your to-do list. You need to have a system where you can decide what makes the most impact and what does the most good. This is what we dive deep into in the Lifehack Tribe after our members have started pre-planning, and it goes a long way towards reducing that feeling of overwhelm that we get when we feel like we have to do everything. Okay, assuming those 2 steps are in place, step 3 is to start time tracking. And that's because we all have something called time blindness, meaning we think we know where our time is going, but we actually don't know it. Every single person I've worked with, when they track their time, it is so enlightening and sometimes embarrassingly so. They think like, oh my God, did I just spend that much time doing that one thing? Or did I really waste 4 hours on this dumb thing? Because we've got time blindness. We don't really see where our time's going until we track it for a few weeks. And this is often where my clients can recover 5, 10, even 20 hours a week just by gathering time data. So if you're in overwhelm right now and you don't want to change everything about how you work and live in order to get out of overwhelm, I've got some good news. Start with pre-planning. Work up to getting radical clarity and then track your time. That is your path to permanently breaking free from the overwhelm. And of course, we help you do it inside Lifehack Tribe. You can join at lifehackmethod.com/tribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.